When you think of speed, you probably picture cheetah, right? Well, what if I told you it's not the fastest animal? Meet the peregrine falcon. This little guy can dive at an incredible 390 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest animal on Earth. That's right, it's faster than any land animal. Even the fastest sprinter, Usain Bolt, barely hits 40 for kilometers per hour, and cheetah tops out at around 100 kilometers per hour. So here's the lesson. Speed isn't always who can run the fastest or the hardest. It's about using your own unique strengths wisely to stand out.